এই বাক্যটিলে মন কৰাচোন the cow died dash injuries after the accident so prepositions তোমাৰ হাতত এইকেইটা এটা তুমি কোনটো prepositionত যাবা আৰু কিয় যাবা যদি তোমালোকৰো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কনফিউজন হয় তেন্তে আজিৰ এই ভিডিওটো তোমালোকৰ বাবে For the students of class 9 and 10, EduAid brings a series of lectures on grammar. Today we have got some prepositions trivia. Answer to jonar agote. Tomaloke keitaman particular shobdoloi mon korason. For example, call. Call shobdotur logot ami normally ei keita prepositions byabhar koru. Jetia ami call on boli kau. Jetia ami call on boli kau tetia ami ki bujao? Tetia ami bujao visit kora. Dhori lolo eta bakyo eneke ahil amar tat the Prime Minister called on the President. Tar mane ki? Tar mane hol Pradhan Montrie Rashtrapatik visit korise. Mata nai bujua. Hoine? Bujhi paisa noy kotha tu? Second is call in. Jetia ami call in boli kau, tetia ami kono emergency joruri kalin obosthat byabhar howa eta preposition like please call in the doctor. Police, ambulance ebilakor khetrot ami call in byabhar koru. Then we have got called off. Pray pai thaka khel dhemali hoi thakile that the match has been called off. Tar mane ki khel khon batil kori dia hol heavy rain pori thakil nohoy ami ekdom akhare bat sai thaku khel sam boli ekdom audience or akhat sesa pani like that. So it is called off. Then we have called out also. Called out mane ki kiba eta bostu announce kora. Dhori lolu eta bakyo eneke thakil the principal called out the result. Ei je half yearly result bilak di dile announce kori dile called out the result. Then we have call for. Call for is abedon, appeal kora, request kora kenuka dhonor. Say for example eta bakyo eneka hobo pare that the leader called for national integration. Eta ekotar karone abedon korise. Like that kind of sentences. Then we have another very commonly used is call up. Call up to nu ki hoy? Call up ami ketia byabhar koru jetia ami karobak phonot matu. He called me up. Like for example moi karobak phonot call korilu call up like that. Buzilu? Etia ami aru eta enuka dhonor shobdoloi mon koru that is die. Die er logot dekhiba ei keita khosarasor prepositions ami dekha pao. Hoy etia jetia ami die in boli kau jetia ami die in boli kau tetia ami bujam kiba durghotonat mrityu hoa. He died in an accident. Jetia ami die off boli kau die off is kiba bemarot thukai gol kuno by pandemic covid-19 he died of covid-19 tenuka aru ami ki pao die for jetia ami byabhar koru tetia ami ki bujao tetia dehor karone mora dhori lolu kiba ta for a noble cause kind of say the captain Jintu Gogoi died for his motherland jana sage naam to tomaloke Kargil war or Ahomor ejon shohid nohoy janu so tar pisot jetia ami ko die by the most horrible kind of nohoy janu die by mane ki self nije suicide kori dile he died by taking poison like that and we have got die from also die from mane ki hol suffering ba kiba dhonor pain kind of overwork suffering এটা আমি যেটো প্ৰশ্নৰে ক্লাসটো আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলো মনত আছে যে বাক্যটো তোমাৰ কি আছিল the cow died dash injury after the accident তোমালোকে কমেন্টত জনাবা কোনটো হল হোপ এই ভিডিওটো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে হেল্পফুল আছিল এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ভিডিওৰ কাৰণে do subscribe our channel thank you for watching all the best